On today's Contessa's Quickies, we're answering a question about how to clean this gutteral. And if you want to see the video on this lovely piece, right here. So, this has been sitting for too long. We need to get this old wine out. And we're going to use freshly boiled water, and I do mean freshly, hence these stylish oven mitts, to simply pour into our gutteral. It is going to splatter, so make sure you hold it away from your face. And that is also why we are using oven mitts. Don't need to fill it up, just enough to kind of get down there. You want to have enough room to shake, 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 swirl, swirl, swirl. And you may have to let it sit in order for that wine sediment to dissolve, and that is perfectly fine. I can already feel the heat through my mitt here. So we're just going to let this sit for a little bit. Okay, shaking is done. Time to empty it out into our reproduction medieval mixing bowl. And as you can see, already a drastic change. So that is how you clean your gutteral. Do not use soap. I don't like using soap at any rate because I think it leaves a residue. Opinions differ on that, but I don't feel a need to use soap. It's not really going to improve anything here. Okay, like and subscribe and stay creative.